big cup tie atmosphere for this game.
The home team has gone with a strong lineup here.
So we're off. Which way will this game go? Confident goalkeeping there. Launched upfield by the keeper.
Salah.
Defenders are looking to the assistant with a flag. Oh, here's Messi.
This one will be a joy to look back on. Smashed into the top corner. Here's a replay of that great goal. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game.
Here's Rabiot. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Good clearance. He really got behind that. Here's Rabiot.
Oh, determined challenge there.
Ronaldo. Messi.
Oh, there's an opening here.
Messi!
And this is a world-class finish. And here's the build-up to that great goal.
It's 2-0 now.
This is Verratti.
Di Maria.
Oh, well timed. Hoisted upfield now. He loves to run with the ball.
He's onside here. Gets the shot in.
That's a safe piece of goalkeeping.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Well intercepted.
Verratti with a tackle.
Moving down the flanks here. Di Maria.
He's knocked it long.
And he's stayed onside.
Is this the moment?
Ronaldo! Not the best effort there.
Let's see how close that one was to going in.
And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. Oh, he's onside here.
And here's a chance.
Good save. He shoots. Good block there.
Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. And that one swung into the box.
Great chance here. Pulls the trigger. He should have been on target.
Let's see how close that one was to going in.
Cleared forward by the... And it's half.
Fans are settled and we're underway with the second half. He's unstoppable with the ball. And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Messi! Well taken by the goalkeeper. He chooses to throw this one out.
Marquinhos. Oh, determined challenge there. He read that one absolutely perfectly.
Suarez.
They want to add to their lead here.
Great chance here. Ronaldo. It's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant.
Oh, that one looked tight. Let's see the replay.
It's with the striker.
Here's Rabiot.
Buffon collects. Launched upfield by the keeper.
Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. This player is taking on the opposition.
Tackled by Piqué.
Oh, look at that showboating. Oh, he did really well there.
Nifty bit of footwork there. Good defending.
What a well-timed tackle.
Striker's ball. Oh, here's Messi. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Messi.
Tries his luck from distance.
The keeper's blocked that one. Corner taken long.
Oh, there's an opening here.
Easy for the goalkeeper there. Forward from the keeper. That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. Few minutes of stoppage time to play then.
Lovely passing here. He's got the ball at his feet.
Ooh, that's a rash challenge there. Nasty challenge there. Looks like he needs to go off.
That's a safe piece of goalkeeping.
Launched upfield by the keeper. Striker's ball.
Oh, determined check. Comfortable 2-0 victory here. The manager will be pleased with results like this.